Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
On the left side, we have the Bugio dash cam front, and on the right side, we have the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam.
Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top.
When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer impressive features. The Bugio dash cam front records in 1080p Full HD, providing outstanding image quality with a broader field of vision. On the other hand, the Chensiv dash cam goes above and beyond with its 4K resolution, capturing every detail on the road.
It's like watching a movie in your car.
Now let's talk about night vision. The Bugio dash cam front utilizes a combination of f1.8 aperture, WDR, and HDR to ensure clear images at night.
It eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source, even in low-light environments. But here's where the Chensiv dash cam shines.
With its f2.0 aperture and 4 infrared lights, this camera performs exceptionally well in color precision and clarity whether it's day or night. It's like having your own personal night vision goggles. A wide-angle lens is crucial for capturing everything happening on the road.
The Bugio dash cam front comes with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, reducing blind spots and capturing more details.
However, the Chensiv dash cam takes it a step further with a 170-degree front camera, 150-degree cabin camera, and 160-degree rear camera. It's like having 3 sets of eyes in your car. Both cameras offer some fantastic additional features. The Bugio dash cam front comes with a G sensor for collision detection, loop recording, and motion detection.
It also has superior night vision, parking monitoring, and a date and license plate stamp.
Meanwhile, the Chensiv dash cam provides a 24-hour parking monitor, loop recording, and a G sensor that locks the video in case of a sudden shake or collision. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car. Both dash cams have received positive reviews from customers. The Bugio dash cam front is praised for its video quality and potential evidence it could provide in case of an accident.
On the other hand, the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam is highly regarded for its high-quality performance, clear imaging, and night vision capabilities.
It offers fantastic video quality and audio recording, making it a great choice regardless of price. And there you have it, folks.
The Bugio dash cam front and the Chensiv 3-channel 4K dash cam both had their unique strengths.
If you're looking for exceptional video quality and a broader field of vision, the Bugio dash cam front might be the right choice for you. But if you want the ultimate package with 4K resolution, superb night vision, and 3 cameras to cover every angle, the Chensiv dash cam is the way to go. As always, it's important to consider your own needs and preferences before making a decision. We hope this comparison has helped you in your purchasing journey.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
And remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to making smarter choices. Happy shopping, everyone!